Today I'm going to take you on a tour of this beautiful model home that you see right behind me. I'm in Stratford, Ontario today, and this is the Knightsbridge Community by the Ridgeview Homes. I will tell you all you need to know about this particular community, including some great incentives at the end of this video. But for now, I just can't wait to show you around this beautiful model home. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. So this particular model is the Galahad floor plan. You're looking at close to 2,500 square feet of above-grade living space featuring 3-bedroom. There is an option to go with the 4th bedroom, and you're looking at 2.5 washroom filled with ample space. Such a nice and spacious layout filled with lots of updates in this model home. So you sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour of this beautiful home. Okay, now that we did look at the home, let's dive straight into the community details. So this is the Knightsbridge Community by the Ridgeview Homes in Stratford, Ontario. What they're building here is a range of detached homes, and you're not looking at single garage 30 feet wide lots here. The lowest size lot is 37 feet, ranging up to 55 feet wide lots, so lots of options. And they do have bungalow as well as a two-story layout. It's hard to find the bungalow style layouts these days in any new builds across KWC. So this could be an option if you are tired of looking at two-story layouts. But bungalow style layouts, you're looking about 1,500 square feet. Two-story layouts can be as big as 3,100 square feet. So lots of options for any budget. I can tell you they range from 900,000 all the way to 1.2, like high 1.2. That's the biggest price lot. So lots of options for every budget and every price point. You know, for this particular home, I did overall like the floor plan. Maybe I could have liked the great room and kitchen a little bit bigger, but the sellout point for me was that dining area filled with lots of natural light and that raised ceiling and that primary bedroom with the walkout to the balcony. I mean, that was just the two main selling points for me. But you guys let me know in the comments below, what did you think of this particular floor plan? And I would love to hear your thoughts about it. But nonetheless, if you did get some value, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and tap on that bell so YouTube knows I'm doing a somewhat good job here. And whether you are thinking of moving in 9 days or 9 months, be sure to reach out. All my info is right below. I'll be more than happy to help you and family make a smooth move in and around KWC. Until next time, well, I do hope to show you around town.